Say goodbye to ink cartridges forever. Epson EcoTank ET-2800, the cartridge-free printer that saves you big. Goodbye tiny, expensive ink cartridges. Welcome the Epson EcoTank ET-2800, your ticket to cartridge-free printing. Forget the constant hassle and expense of ink cartridges. With high-capacity refillable ink tanks, you'll enjoy up to 90% savings on ink costs. Yes, you read that right. Print up to 7,500 color pages and 4,500 black and white pages with just one set of ink bottles. It's the ultimate budget-friendly solution for any home or office. Impressive print quality every time. With Epson's PrecisionCore heat-free technology, the EcoTank delivers sharp text, vivid color graphics, and photo-quality prints on virtually any paper type. Whether you're printing family photos, school projects, or professional documents, you'll get superior results that stand out. Plus, the built-in scanner and Copier ensures you can handle all your document management needs with ease. No extra gadgets needed. Save time and frustration. Tired of constantly running out of ink? The Epson EcoTank ET-2800 comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, ensuring you'll have more time for what matters. Say goodbye to last-minute trips to the store or those frustrating printer malfunctions. Plus, with Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles, refilling is easy, and you won't make a mess. Refill, print, repeat, it's that simple. Built for the modern family, this all-in-one printer is designed for families who need something reliable, easy to use, and efficient. With wireless printing and mobile printing capabilities, you can print from your smartphone or tablet, no cables needed. Plus, it works with voice-activated printing via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Whether you're printing from the kitchen or the living room, this printer fits perfectly into your connected lifestyle. Eco-friendly and long-lasting, the EcoTank ET-2800 is more than just a printer, it's a green solution. By eliminating cartridges, you're helping reduce the millions of pounds of plastic that end up in landfills every year. Plus, the printer comes with a 2-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. It's durable, reliable, and a smart investment for the long haul. Get ready to experience stress-free, high-quality printing like never before.